Radio up and the blinds pulled down. You love it when...
Hello and welcome to another episode of Noosa for Sale. I'm Alex Harris and this is 110 Mary River Road, Cooroy. On a quiet corner heading north from Cooroy, this beautiful small acreage block, well designed, it has 3 bedrooms plus office, a country-style kitchen, and is wrapped in a wide veranda. Featuring timber detailing, cork floors, in-ground concrete swimming pool, aircon and ceiling fans. If you just want to get into the property market on land or are ready to roll your sleeves up for a makeover, this is the perfect project. Located just on the edge of town, it is close to tennis courts, library, art centre, and a dozen funky eateries and boutiques unique to Cooroy. This is picture-perfect country living in the near Noosa hinterland. So if this home speaks to you, speak to me. I'm Alex, 0412 635 274.